Hi, and welcome to this video where I'm going to reveal exactly what it takes to scale an online coaching business. And along the way, I'll share my story with you as well. Now, I don't like to bullshit or gatekeep, so I'm going to reveal the exact step by step process, what I like to call the AI freedom scaling method. It's a process driven approach that you can plug and play into your business today and start seeing results immediately without losing your sanity over things. Now, those are some pretty big claims. So instead of just telling you about it, let me show you the results from one of our clients over the last 3 months. When this breathwork coach first came to us back in May, she was stuck at about 7K per month. And during our initial strategy call, we realized that the problem wasn't that she didn't have enough leads because she already had 16K followers and a high ticket offer. The problem was with everything that happened after someone clicked on offers. She was drowning with what I like to call a calendar clutter syndrome, where you have a bunch of unqualified leads, people who aren't going to show up for your call, people who are just freebie seekers, and calls that end up with objections like, let me think about it. These are all symptoms of poor lead quality. Now, here's what we did. We installed the AI Freedom Scaling method, ran ads through a low ticket offer, which allowed us to offset the cost of ads. So the revenue that we generated from the low ticket offer, we used that to run ads for the next month. And that got us a bunch of hyper qualified leads. What is hyper qualified leads? Hyper qualified leads are leads that already have a purchasing power. Therefore, they have already purchased the low ticket offer, and they also have a high intent, which means they're actively looking to solve a problem. So we managed to get her a bunch of hyper qualified leads by running a low ticket offer that itself liquidated the ad spend. Now, what worked really well for this particular client is that AI chatbots and outbound dialers. Now, within the first 30 days, we were able to install AI chatbots and outbound dialers that would engage and nurture each lead within 5 minutes of them joining our ecosystem, and then also qualify these leads for a high ticket offer. And if they were qualified, it would automatically book them into her calendar. Now we also built a pre-framing system that had automated touch points, SMS reminders, value drops. So 80% of the sale call actually happened before she even got on the call with them. The results were amazing. We were able to 3x her business within 90 days. The month of May, we were stuck at about 7K per month. By the month of June, and by this time, we had only installed the WhatsApp AI chatbots and just started running her ads for her. She already hit 10.3. The month of July, we were up another 30%, and she was up to 13K. The month of August, we managed to get her to 22K, and right now it is the 18th of September, and she's already at 19K. The goal for this month is to hit at least 30K with this account. Now, if you're watching this, then chances are that you want a simple and a reliable way to get appointments in your calendar and grow your revenue without needing for you to post 7 times a day, go on 3 podcasts a week, or spam your email list with offers just to make a sale happen. You see, you already have proof that your offer works, you have delivered some results, and that's great. People trust you. But deep down, you know that the day you stop pushing so hard, things will dry up. You make comparison with other coaches who are scaling faster than you and wondering if they know anything that you don't. Trust me, they don't have a magic pill, they don't have any superpowers, they just have better system that gives them leverage. Something that I'll talk about later in this video. And you started an online business because you wanted freedom. You wanted financial and time freedom. But it seems like you've traded your 9 to 5 for a 24/7 job instead. You have hit what I like to call a low leverage ceiling. You see, it's a vicious cycle. If you focus too much on fulfillment, your pipeline dries up. You get stuck serving current clients and have no new revenue coming in. On the other hand, if you focus too much on sales and traffic, your client delivery suffers, right? Quality drops, clients feel neglected, retention goes down, and it just doesn't allow you to scale beyond the ceiling that you've just hit. If any of this resonates with you, then you already know that something does need to change. And you can't keep going on the way you are and expect a different outcome. But what is it that you actually need to do? Well, you've reached the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly why most coaches and info product owners with great offers still hit a ceiling. I'm going to reveal the exact system that I call the AI Freedom Scaling method that you can use to double your revenue in 90 days and start seeing results with it within the next 30 days. Even if you've never ran ads before, even if you don't have a massive following. But before we get into any of that, let's take a step back and let me introduce myself. So, my name is Sahar, and about 7 years ago, I graduated from one of the top universities in the UK and landed what at that time felt like my dream corporate job at the Big Four. And I worked my ass off For 4 years, I worked my ass off and I even got promoted 3 times during that 4 year period. But as I held that promotion letter in my hand, I had the biggest realization ever. I realized that I was chasing someone else's version of success. Because if you had asked a much younger version of me what she wanted to do, all I wanted to do was build my own empire, build a company, build a business for some reason. I don't know where that came from, but that spark never left me. So the very next day, I handed in my resignation letter and I decided to take the leap of faith. But this wasn't like a complete shot in the dark. I had some experience with social media already. I had grown my own channel called Miss Chatter to about 80,000 followers, and I had only ever posted 12 videos. My one of the first videos I ever posted went on to do 22,000 views within 24 hours. I was featured in a couple of newspapers as well. So social media was just the thing that I got, and I got really well. So I decided to join a friend's agency, and I helped him scale his business to six-figure months in less than 2 years. But you see, back then, growth was made out to be this very complicated process. In order to be successful online, you needed to figure out how to go viral. How do you run ads? What was the best funnel that you could use? Should you do evergreen or launches? Do you need to run challenges for your clients? Growth was made out to be a very, very complicated process. And maybe some of you guys have been through this, or maybe you're already going through something like this. But to the best of my surprise, along the years, I've learned that actually growth comes from something a lot simpler than this. It comes from doing the simple things and building processes and systems around it that you can leverage. And in order to solve that challenge for myself and for my clients, I built what I called the AI Freedom Scaling Method. A simple to follow and focuses on three fundamentals of every business need. Now, in order to be successful, you need these three fundamentals. You need an offer and a delivery mechanism. You need something to sell that really resonates with your audience, something that actually improves their lives, and something that you can package in a way that you can remove yourself from the delivery of it within reason. So you need to create a productized offer. Once you have figured out what your offer and delivery mechanism is going to be, then you need a bunch of eyeballs on that offer. You can run ads, you can go organic, but you need to have traffic to that offer. Once you've figured out the offer and the traffic source, then you need to figure out a way, a process or a system that allows you to convert that traffic, those eyeballs, into paying customers. Once you've figured these three things out, you will have a scalable business machine. Now, here's where most coaches go wrong. They might have one or two of these pieces, but really all three of them working together. Now, this is saying that you're as strong as your weakest link. It's pretty much that. If you have a great offer and you have great process system but no traffic, you won't be able to scale your business. If you have traffic and process and systems but your offer sucks, you won't be able to scale your business. If you have a great offer and great traffic but you don't have process and systems, you won't be able to scale online business. Now, in order to deal with all of these challenges, I have made the AI Freedom Scaling Method. It's made up of three core engines that lock together so you can finally scale with ease. Now, a caveat at this point that if you already have aspects of this build out in your business already, that's great. You just skip this step and move on to the next step. But if the foundation of your business is what's stopping you from scaling, that's what you're going to focus on first. That's where AI Optimizer come in play. I'm going to walk you through each one of these in detail, one by one, and show you exactly what it takes to build these out. Now, AI Offer Optimizer is probably going to be the biggest input that you'll have in building the system out if you're working with us as a client. Everything else that follows will feel like light work once we have clarity from the beginning. It takes about 8 hours to build, but trust me, this will pay dividends in the future. Now, in order to build a scalable offer, you need three main things. You need an offer which is not just a product, it's a bridge that connects your ICP's current struggles and limitations to their desired outcome. The method that you use to deliver that transformation becomes your delivery mechanism. Now, your delivery mechanism needs to be productized to an extent that it can be scalable without relying on your time. And then you need crisp, clear messaging that can convert cold traffic. The key word here is cold traffic. So you get fewer leads, but you get higher quality leads. That's exactly why I built the AI Offer Optimizer. Now, with AI Offer Optimizer, you walk away with a sharp, irresistible offer and clarity on your delivery mechanism and packaging and messaging that directly speaks to your dream client. This becomes the foundation of everything that we build in the next two pillars. Now, the AI Offer Optimizer follows three basic steps. Step number one is the client clarity blueprint. Then we've got the irresistible offer builder, and then we've got the magnetic messaging matrix. When all three of these work together, you build the foundation of your business. In step one, through visual exercises, through worksheets, and through clarity prompts, we work on discovering exactly who your ICP is and what their emotional trigger is. How do we need to position you as the obvious choice for them, and how do we make you stand out from everybody else who has the same offer or has offering similar services? And this needs to be articulated with clarity in your messaging. This is the foundation of all the copy that we're going to write for the rest of the system, whether that's ad hooks, landing pages, email campaigns, everything. Now, once you have complete clarity of who your ICP is, what their emotional triggers are, and how to position you in a way that you become the obvious choice, we work on building your offer. Once you understand who your audience is, you need to create an offer and a productized delivery mechanism. A lot of the time, when coaches first come to us, they already have some sort of an offer, but they don't know what's the best way to package it in a way that you can have a scalable business without needing for you to invest more and more of your time. Now, Irresistible Offer Builder solves exactly that for you. It helps you package your offer and define a delivery process that makes sense for your ICPs. And they end up saying things like, "This is exactly what I was looking for," while keeping your operations simple and scalable. It positions you as the right choice for your dream clients. We work on packaging your delivery, figuring out how are you going to deliver this service, what are the pricing tiers, and what do the clients get in each tier that makes more sense to them. Now, step three is very simple. Step three is where everything comes together. This is where we work on creating a clear voice that really resonates with your ICPs so that you have a succinct messaging across the ads that you build, the nurture email sequences, the landing page copy, everything that needs to follow. You'll be able to write headlines, ads, posts that sound like from inside your client's mind. Now, the AI Offer Optimizer gives you clarity on your messaging, position you as the obvious choice for your ICP while removing you from the delivery, obviously within reason. Now, this is about 8 hours worth of work, but trust me, this will pay dividends for you in the future. Now, the next pillar in our AI freedom scaling method is the ads traffic engine. This is really the fuel behind the engine. You see, paid ads gives you control over the quality and the quantity of leads that are flowing into your system. And that's what really makes the system scalable. Using the system, you don't get capped by your organic reach. Paid traffic allows you to target people who are a good fit but aren't part of your ecosystem at the moment. Now, a lot of people are very skeptical about running ads, so let me offer you some perspective. A couple of years ago, I read this book called 4 Hour Work Week. It's a book by Tim Ferriss. It's a very popular book, so I'm sure you've heard of the name. It suggests that you should be calculating your hourly rate to decide what's worth your time. Now, let me break this down for you. Now, let's assume that your hourly rate for simplicity's sake is $100, and it takes you about 1 hour worth of time to be able to produce a highly engaging piece of content that allows you to get 1,000 eyeballs on your offer. Which means, in order for you to get 1,000 eyeballs, you're spending it out about $100. The question you should be asking yourself is that, can you spend the same $100 on ads and get more than 1,000 eyeballs? If the answer to that is yes, then you should be running ads. Now, the best part about running ads that it is highly scalable. Unlike organic growth, which is capped by the time you have to invest, the growth ceiling for ad is pretty high. So you can practically grow, and your growth is not directly proportional to the number of hours that you have to invest. That's exactly why I built the ads traffic engine. So you stop trading your hours for eyeballs and let the system fuel your growth automatically. But how do we actually do this? With Ads Traffic Engine, you get a done for you paid traffic system that delivers a steady stream of pre qualified leads, booked appointments every single week. We have AI targeting, proven ad structures, and ongoing optimizations to your pipeline so you can grow consistently and without stress of organic grind and guesswork. Now, Ads Traffic Engine has four main steps. You've got Ad Creative Mastery, where we actually create the ads. We've got Audience GPS, where we laser target your audience. We've got the actual setup of your ad account, and then we have got Manage and Optimize. With these four steps, you are able to create a system that gives you highly qualified leads into your ecosystem every single week, booked on your calendar, so that you can convert it into your high ticket offer. Now, the AI Offer Optimizer gives you clarity on the emotional triggers. It makes creating attention grabbing ads feel like a piece of cake. All you need to do is input everything that we've done in the previous pillar into the frameworks to create hooks and angles that you can test. Like I said before, you need to create leverage in your business. This gives you a reliable and repeatable process. So in Ads Creative Mastery, we focus on just that. You see, the hook is the most important part of your ad. An ad's only job is to stop someone from scrolling and listening to your offer. from that point onwards, your offer needs to do the heavy lifting, right? When you create the right framing and messaging around your offer, like we did in the previous step, along with an ad that feels like straight from your client's diary, you attract the right kind of people who are ready to take on the actions. In Ads Creative Mastery, you get access to our library of winning ads. You get access to guides, frameworks that allow you to write copy, create visuals, videos, all of that that is required for your ads. Now, the best of your ads won't perform if they're shown to the wrong person. So that's what we tackle in Audience GPS. We use AI targeting to find your ICP hotspot. Where are they hanging out? What are they interested in? What buying signals are they showing? This allows us to cut down on random clicks and wasted impressions so that we can ensure that every dollar that you spend is spent on getting your dream clients only. Now, step three is the engine room. We structure ad campaigns to launch multiple variations, run short tests, and find winners quickly. Every click, lead, booked call is tracked using UTM linkage and conversion signal. And we create creative testing tracker that allows you to double down on creatives that are working and scale your ad spend quickly and appropriately. Now, step number four is to manage and optimize. Ads are not set and forget. So, if you're a client of ours, then we do a weekly one on one call where I'll walk you through the performance of your ad account, talk about what's working and what's not. And if you're using our KPIs and dashboard, that you can also manage both your paid and organic leads within the ecosystem. You can also manage your team like DM setters, VA closers within the KPI dashboard, something that I will talk about in a minute. Great, you've built a scalable offer and you have got a steady stream of qualified leads coming in. You see, traffic is not equal to clients. You need a system to turn this attention into paying clients. And that's where the third pillar comes in play. Sales flow streamline takes about 10 to 15 days to build out, and this allows you to create a process that converts attention into paying clients. With sales flow streamline, we automate and tighten your entire sales process so that every lead is nurtured, pre-qualified, and pre-sold before they hit your calendar. This means that fewer no-shows, more conversions, calendar filled with serious buyers without adding more work on your plate. Now, everybody who's in the high ticket info business understand this one thing, that this is not e-commerce. You can't drive cold traffic to a checkout page and expect someone to pull out their wallet and give you 2500, 5000, 8000, whatever your price is. An average sales cycle of a lead is at about 6 weeks. What happens in this 6 weeks will make or break your conversion. Your goal as an entrepreneur, as a business owner, is to shorten this life cycle and minimize leaks. That's the principle sales flow streamline is built on. You see, it helps you reduce the time it takes for someone to go from curious stranger to committed clients. Sales flow streamline install the system that it automatically engages, nurtures them with the right touch points, and guides them down the funnel that ends with a booked call on your calendar on autopilot. With this, you don't just get tools, you get plug and play systems that are already tested and proven to convert. So that means that you spend less time with trial and error and more time scaling with speed. Now, in step one, you get access to over 17 funnels and templates. Our funnels have been battle tested. All you need to do is plug and play them in your business. These have been proven to convert time and time so that it allows you to bypass that learning curve and spend less time with trial and error and grow with speed. Now, on top of this, you also get access to our winning email templates and our landing page templates. This is what allows us to build this entire process in such short period of time because you already have everything that we need. All you need to do is plug and play into your business. Step number two is the CRM and Tech Hub. Now, every lead, whether that's organic or paid, can be tracked and managed within our CRM. This allows you to manage and optimize your sales cycle. There's a very popular saying that if you can't measure it, you can't improve it. This allows you to figure out exactly what's working for you and what's not working for you. Now, the next step is conversational AI, and this is my favorite part. Now, step number three and step number four is all about engaging with your leads and pre framing them to make the close process feel like light work. We use AI setters that engage with every single lead that enters your ecosystem within 5 minutes. And this has been an absolute game changer, by the way. These AI setters will reach out to leads, whether that's WhatsApp, SMS, outbound calls, and engage with them and ask them a series of questions that help us determine where each lead is in the buying journey. Not only that, it will automatically update the CRM based on the answer, fetch time from your calendar, and book these leads on calls. And I promise you, even if you chuck everything else from what I've spoken of so far and you just install this bit, you will see at least 30% increase in your revenue. Now, if you already have human setters and closers in your business that are performing, then that's great. You should double down on that. But if you have a human setters and closers that are not performing, then in step 4, you get access to a trained network of setters and closers to choose from. We have about 40 trained setters and closers that you can choose from. And the best part is that they're commission only, which means that if they don't book you appointments, then you don't have to pay them a single dime. We also give you scripts, training, and frameworks that you can use to close more clients with this system. Sales call are shorter, easier, and close at a much higher rate with this. Now, these scripts, training, and framework allow you to have a much higher conversion rate so that you don't have to push so hard to close a sale. Now, if you stuck around till this part of the video, that means that I have said something that resonates with you. You see, I've come across two types of business owners. People who are action takers, they take action very quickly, thereby they learn very quickly, and then they're able to iterate very, very fast. That allows them to scale their business. And then there are people who are very slow or sometimes don't take any action at all. And then they keep wondering why they're stuck where they are now and why everyone else seems to be scaling faster than them. Now, if you're serious about scaling your online coaching business without burning out, I would love to invite you to a free AI Freedom Scaling Strategy call. On this call, we will look at your current business and uncover where you're hitting the low leverage ceiling and map out the exact steps that you need to take to double your revenue within the next 90 days. Imagine 90 days from now, your calendar is filled with qualified leads and your revenue is climbing, and you have your time back as well. That's exactly what we'll design together. Now, there are many, many ways you can work with me. I have a done for you and done with you offer as well. And I also offer revenue sharing model, which means that I put my own skin in the game so you don't have to pay unless I actually get you the results that I promise you. If you're curious about how this might work for you, then I would encourage you to use the link down below to book a call with me or just send me a DM on Instagram and we can get a chat. See you on the other side.